Okay. Transition nyo from Coach Jimmy, to Coach Jimmy, kung saan naman ang team so far?
Parang it's been 1 week pa lang eh. So far so good kasi everyone is excited. Coach Jimmy has been imparting kung ano man yung wisdom, experience na nakuha niya from NBA, and so far dinadala niya sa amin yun, and how yung practice namin has been, parang everyone's been looking forward kung ano man yung bagong madadala ni Coach Jimmy. Like for example, we have parang Coach Jimmy is a skill development coach sa NBA, so dinadala niya pagdating sa amin. So everyone's looking forward every day na kasi may bagong drill or skills na pinapagawa si Coach Jimmy.
So far naman, yung, syempre, different approach, different maybe system. So, kumusta naman yung adjustment nyo with that?
So far, the system, may continuation pa naman still from Coach Jong's system, and yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Jimmy na he's gonna add paunti-unti kasi syempre he doesn't wanna confuse us eh. At the same time, the offensive schemes, defensive schemes namin, it's almost the same. May mga onting tweaks here and there, and so far, everyone's been given equal opportunities.
How about yung ano, siyempre with Coach Jimmy around yung expectation ba? Medyo tumaas ng konti with his experience. How are you taking that yung expectations mo?
Of course, I mean, expectations part naman yan now, and Coach Jimmy's been saying this since yung pagdating niya dito. Of course, we are being paid to win. So it comes with the work, and of course, kami as players, we have to do whatever it takes para makapag-deliver ng ganun. And Coach Jimmy, as I said, when he was playing pa lang with Gilas, with Token Text, lahat ng pinuntahan niya, with Alab, lahat na nanalo. So kami, I guess, ma-rub off lang yung winning mentality niya pagdating sa amin. It's a plus for us. At the same time, we've been in the quarterfinals twice to beat, couple of times na, and I just hope na Coach Jimmy can help us take our team to the next level, which is the hopefully semifinals.
May learnings ba from that TNT game and TNT series ng last conference, and kung ano yung mga learnings, kahit isang learning lang na team may matutulong?
To be honest, it's experience kasi that's the only thing na maano ko na pagdating ng playoffs, nag-iiba laro ng Token Text, Ginebra. But speaking about Token Text, na they know where to go, they know talaga minsan parang piso-piso na yung laban, na alam nila sino yung hanapin. So for us, kami, I mean, eliminations is hard, but pagdating ng quarterfinals, mas bumabagal yung laro, mas utaka na yung laro. So kami, for us, TNT, matagal na magkakasama, mga veterano na. So for us, I guess the more na magkakasama kami, now having Coach Jimmy, I just hope that he is the missing key right now.
Okay. Kev, thank you.
Thank you, Ben.